Hi Year 1! I'm so glad you could join me today because you will never guess what I found in our classroom this morning. First thing was this treasure chest. Do you want to see what's inside? It was full of pirate coins and gems. Who do you think might have left this in our classroom for us? Say it out loud. I'm going to see if I can listen. I'm going to give you the second clue. With the treasure chest this morning, I found a message in a bottle. Now, we've had a few of these delivered this week. Do you think this one's from Pirate Pete as well? Let's read it together and find out. Oh, it's very crumpled. Must have travelled a really long way. It says, "Dear Year 1, Arr! Thanks for your letters about the plank. I've already started making it. However, now I need to design a porthole for my pirate ship. I need to use a material that you can see through. Can you investigate? Har! Pirate Pete." I don't know what Pirate Pete's voice sounds like, but in my head it sounds a bit like that. So, hold on. He's asking for us to help him to find a good material to build a porthole for his pirate ship. Now, a porthole is like a window on a pirate ship. So, it's really important, he said, that it's a material that you can see through. I think we're going to have to do a bit more work, scientists. Whilst we're being scientists, we have to use the proper scientific vocabulary. So let's have a little look at what we can use for the word see-through. What would the scientists say? Now, I've had a research and had a look at the words that the scientists would use to describe a material that you can see through or that you can't see through. Because we're being scientists, Year 1, it's really important that we use the proper scientific words. I've got them written here. The first word is opaque. Can you say that for me? Opaque. Let's say it 3 times. Opaque, opaque, opaque. All together. Opaque. Well done. Now the word opaque means that you can't see through it. So if a material is opaque, you can't see through it. For example, the wood of Pirate Pete's treasure chest, you can't see through. When I hold it over my eyes, I can't see you anymore. So wood is opaque. I'm going to think that actually an action might help us to remember that word. So I'm going to go with the action opaque, and I'm going to cover my eyes. Can you have a go? Let's do it together. Opaque. Now let's say it all together. My turn first. If something is opaque, you cannot see through it. Can you have a go? You might want to pause the video so you've got a little bit of extra time. Now, the second word is this one down here. This word is transparent. It's a bit longer. Can you say it with me? My turn. Transparent. Your turn. Transparent. Can we say it 3 times? Transparent, transparent, transparent. Now the word transparent means you can see through it. Okay, so for example, the glass of Pirate Pete's message in a bottle is transparent. I can see through it. Can you think of any other materials you know that are transparent? Now I think we could think of an action for transparent. Now we know opaque is to cover our eyes because we can't see through opaque materials. Transparent is going to be transparent, where your eyes are uncovered. Let's try them together. Ready? Opaque, transparent, opaque, transparent. Well done. Right, scientists, it's time to do some investigating. I want you to use the materials that you collected at the beginning of this week to investigate and see which material would be a good material for Pirate Pete's porthole. Now, you have this sheet. One of the circles says these materials are opaque. The other circle says these materials are transparent. I want you to go through your box of materials and investigate which materials are opaque, meaning you can't see through them, and which of them are transparent. When you've chosen a material and investigated it, then I want you to draw a picture of it in either opaque or transparent to tell me what you've learned about that material. At the bottom, you've got opaque means, and a blank space, and transparent means, and a blank space. I wonder if you could write definitions so we could give those to Pirate Pete to tell him to use the proper scientific words. Over to you now, scientists. Have fun with your experiment, and I can't wait to see what you find out. Which materials are opaque and which materials are transparent?